The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Middlesex County and northeastern New Jersey until 5:34 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Browntown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Browntown and South Amboy. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If at a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.